Hello friends, the Middle East, or as it is more accurately known, West Asia, has long been a region plagued by conflict and instability. From the Arab-Israeli tensions to the raging civil wars in Syria and Yemen, this dynamic and volatile part of the world has captured global attention for all the wrong reasons. At the heart of this maelstrom lies Iran, a nation that has emerged as a key player, wielding significant influence and contributing to the region's explosive nature. Understanding the nuances of this region is crucial, as the ripple effects of its conflicts can be felt far beyond its borders. The recent Iranian attacks on Israel in April 2024 has only exacerbated an already precarious situation, heightening the potential for further escalation and instability. In this in-depth exploration, we will unpack the intricate web of conflicts, the role of key players, and the implications for regional and global security. The Arab-Israeli conflict is one of the longest running and most complex geopolitical disputes in modern history. Rooted in the late 19th century with the Zionist movement's push for a Jewish homeland in Palestine, this clash of goals with the Arab populations has shaped the region for decades. The establishment of Israel in 1948 and the subsequent wars with the Arab neighbors has cemented the nation's regional military dominance but also escalated the conflict. The formation of the Palestine Liberation Organization in the mid 1960s added further complexity to the challenges faced by Israel. Groups like the PLO, Hamas, and Hezbollah have emerged as formidable adversaries, engaging in both armed conflict and political maneuvering to champion the Palestinian cause against Israeli occupation. Iran's role in this ongoing conflict cannot be overlooked. Over the years, the country has significantly contributed to the tensions by supporting various anti Israeli groups and proxy forces, most notably Hezbollah in Lebanon. Iran's backing of the Axis of Resistance, a coalition in West Asia opposing Western influence, Israel, and the perceived regional hegemony of Gulf states, has been a source of great concern and increased regional instability. The Syrian civil war, which erupted in 2011 as part of the Arab Spring uprisings, has evolved into a complex battlefield involving various regional and global actors with different interests. At the heart of the conflict is the Assad regime, headed by President Bashar al Assad, which has been supported by Iran and Russia. Opposing the Assad regime are a diverse array of rebel groups, some of which have received support from Western countries and regional powers. The involvement of extremist groups like ISIS and Al Qaeda has further complicated the conflict, posing threats to both the Assad regime and the various rebel factions. The Syrian civil war has become a protracted stalemate, with the Assad regime regaining control over western and central regions. However, pockets of resistance continue to hold out, particularly in the northwestern province of Idlib, where a fragile ceasefire agreement has largely held. The humanitarian crisis in Syria is catastrophic, with millions displaced and civilians facing immense suffering, including human rights abuses, attacks on infrastructure, and the use of chemical weapons. The conflict has also increased the regional and global power struggles, as Iran's support for the Assad regime and proxy forces like Hezbollah have heightened tensions with the US and its regional allies, including Israel. The Yemeni civil war, which began in 2014, has its roots in long standing grievances and political instability. The conflict escalated when the Houthi rebels, a Shiite Muslim group, seized control of Yemen's capital Sana'a and dissolved the parliament. Saudi Arabia, alarmed by the Houthi advance and viewing it as an Iranian backed threat to its own security and regional influence, spearheaded a military coalition in 2015 to restore the internationally recognized government of President Abdurrabbu Mansur Hadi. This This intervention has turned the conflict into a complex proxy war between Saudi Arabia and Iran, who have provided political, financial, and military support to their respective allies. The Yemeni civil war has resulted in a catastrophic humanitarian crisis with millions of civilians facing acute food insecurity, lack of access to healthcare, and widespread displacement. Famine, cholera outbreaks, and malnutrition have exacerbated the suffering of the population. Despite the significant military intervention by the Saudi led coalition, the conflict has reached a stalemate with neither side able to achieve a decisive victory. The Houthis retain control over significant parts of northern and western Yemen, including the capital, which the pro government forces, supported by the coalition, control the southern areas. The Houthis, rooted in the Zaydi Shia ideology, have emerged as a powerful actor in Yemen's complex political landscape, challenging the authority of the Yemeni government and engaging in a protracted conflict with regional powers. Their alignment with Iran and control over strategic territory have further contributed to the ongoing instability and humanitarian crisis in the country. The Iranian attack on Israel in April 2024 was a pivotal moment that highlighted the fragile geopolitical landscape of the region. The attack, which involved a massive drone and missile assault, was largely intercepted by Israel's defense systems, resulting in minor damage to a military base and the injury of a young girl. The immediate impact of the attack underscored the potential for escalation and the unstable security situation in the region. The attack has increased tensions between Iran and Israel, as well as their respective allies, worsening fears of destabilization and reigniting hostilities. The global community swiftly responded to the Iranian aggression, expressing concern and solidarity with Israel. The attack has reaffirmed the need for diplomatic efforts to de escalate conflicts and prevent further violence in the region. However, the consequences of the Iranian attack go beyond the immediate fallout. It has highlighted the fragility of regional security and the risk of miscalculation or unintended escalation. The potential for a larger conflict between Israel and Iran, possibly involving other parties, remains a grave concern for the international community. The complex web of conflicts and power struggles in West Asia presents a daunting challenge for the international community. Resolving these long-standing disputes and promoting regional stability will require a multifaceted approach that addresses the underlying grievances, power dynamics, and the involvement of external actors. Firstly, diplomatic engagement and conflict resolution efforts must be prioritized. The international community, in collaboration with regional powers, needs to facilitate inclusive negotiations and find political solutions to the various conflicts. This may involve mediation, power sharing arrangements, and addressing the root causes of the conflicts, such as sectarian divides, resource scarcity, and political marginalization. Secondly, countering the influence of extremist groups and de escalating regional tensions is crucial. The international community should work together to disrupt the financing and support networks of terrorist organizations while also addressing the conditions that enable their rise. Simultaneously, efforts to reduce the proxy wars and rivalry between regional powers such as Iran and Saudi Arabia must be pursued. Thirdly, a comprehensive approach to addressing the humanitarian crisis in the region is essential. Providing aid, rebuilding infrastructure, and addressing the needs of displaced populations must be a priority. International organizations and aid agencies should work collaboratively with local stakeholders to ensure the effective delivery of humanitarian assistance and implementing sustainable development programs. Finally, the international community must remain steadfast in its commitment to upholding international law and human rights. Accountability for war crimes, human rights abuses, and the use of chemical weapons must be pursued, and those responsible must be held accountable. This will help to deter future atrocities and build trust in the global order. In conclusion, the complex and volatile situation in West Asia demands a concerted and coordinated global effort. By addressing the underlying drivers of conflict, fostering diplomatic solutions, and providing humanitarian aid, the international community can work towards a more stable and secure future for the region. The stakes are high and the consequences of inaction are dire. It is time to confront the challenges head on and chart a path towards lasting peace and prosperity in West Asia.